Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y72 and today I will show you how to enable Talkback. So to get started you will want to open up Settings. From here scroll down to Shortcuts and Accessibility and scroll down again to just Accessibility and you will find Talkback right here. Click on it and simply enable it by toggling this little switch on right here.
Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. Talkback tutorial. Ring.
Okay, so now that I muted it as far as I can, I will be presented with this screen over here, the tutorials. You can go through it, but going really quickly over the couple main ways of using this. You will use two fingers now to scroll up and down. One finger doesn't do anything nowadays. Then if you want to check something on, so as an example, if you want to go
headings. No next heading. No next heading.
I actually have no idea. Oh, two fingers back. There we go. So if you want to select something, like as an example, if I want to turn this off, I need to select something and then double click it to turn it off. And again, anything that you want to, basically normally you would tap on, you now need to double click every single time. So as you've seen, to navigate through this you need to use two fingers, and if you're using gestures, two finger gestures instead of one this time around. If you're using buttons you can just double tap them, or you need to tap them once and then double tap them to confirm this. So yeah, anyway, that is where you turn it on. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.